What it do, Snake Crew? It's your boy Ace of Snakes up in here, and today I'm going to show you how to put together my newest creation, the survival knife from Metal Gear Solid 3 Delta Snake Eater. It is available on my Colts 3D for $2.50. If you don't have the ability to print this yourself, you could shoot me a message on Instagram and we can work something out. Um, this does not need any gluing. Everything is going to be held together once you put it together. You should have a total of 5 parts: the blade, serrated blade, handguard, handle, and the pommel. First, you're going to take the serrated blade. Make sure the teeth are facing this way. You're going to notice the knife itself has a entrance here and has an entrance here on the chamfer and the fillet. You're going to take the serrated blade, make sure the teeth are facing that way. It is going to go in at an angle first at the downwards entrance. You're going to pop it in all the way so that the teeth and the chamfer touch. Then you're going to take the front side, and you're going to pop it up into the other entrance. And this is designed to be that way because, one, it makes it easier for printing the serrated blade separately from the main blade. And two, in case it does break, the off chance it does, because it is a very thin and fragile piece. The off chance it does break, you can just replace it without having to print the entire blade all over again. So that's step one. Step two is to take the handguard. Make sure you have the slot is lined up with the shape of the blade itself. So the tip, the pointy part, line it up with the blade. And there. There we go. Next, the tang of the blade is going to go inside the handle. There's a square side. That's going to be where the tang goes in. And that's how it's held together from the pressure of the tang and the handle. Next, you're going to take the pommel. And you're going to screw it in. And that is the survival knife for Metal Gear Solid 3 Snake Eater Delta, available on my Colts 3D for $2.50. And I said before, if you don't have the ability to print this yourself, shoot me a message on Instagram. I am starting to offer the prints for my files. I don't have an official page set up for the prints itself, but shoot me a message. We can work something out. And then if you want, you could also take some sort of wrapping and wrap it around the handle. I just use something basic like bandage tape for this. It doesn't really work well and it gets dirty really quick, but you get the idea. If you have any questions regarding the knife or any other parts of the cosplay, feel free to give me to send me a message on Instagram. Comment below here in the video or comment on my blogger, and I'll do my best to answer what questions you have. All right, guys, have a good one.